Evacuation process. First, unscrew the valve stem cap from the service port of the three-way valve gas side located at the bottom of the outdoor unit and connect the manifold gauge low side charging hose blue color to the three-way valve. Please note that the end of this charging hose connected to service port should have a check pin. Then connect the manifold gauge's center, yellow color, charging hose, that is the hose ending with the check pin, to the vacuum pump adapter, as indicated here. Turn on the vacuum pump and fully open the low handle of the manifold gauge. Pressure is observed to drop below 0 psi. Continue evacuating for approximately 10 minutes. Assure the low pressure gauge is at -0.1 megapascal, -76 centimeter mercury. When the evacuation is finished, close the low handle of the manifold gauge completely and turn off the vacuum pump. Leave the unit in that condition for 5 minutes to make sure the manifold gauge needle doesn't return to 0. Take note that if the needle returns to 0, there is a leak. Disconnect the charging hose from the vacuum pump and the service port of the three-way valve. Screw the valve stem cap to the service port by using the torque wrench. Unscrew the two-way valve and three-way valve stem cap. Open the two-way valve by turning the valve stem 90 degrees in counterclockwise direction by hexagonal wrench. Hold this position for 10 seconds and close the two-way valve. Use a gas detector to reconfirm there is no gas leak. If there is gas leak, repair the location of the leak. Then remove the three-way valve stem cap. Fully open the two-way and three-way valve by turning the valve stem in counterclockwise direction until it stops with a hexagonal wrench. Tighten the valve stem caps of the two-way and three-way valve with a torque wrench. Avoid using any spanner. Extend the drain hose for better water drainage purpose. For a more secure connection and to prevent water from leaking out, use some tape to reinforce the connection. For better appearance of the connecting pipes, it should be wrapped with a tape or any other accessories. Remember to wrap the tape from bottom to upward direction to prevent water invasion from external factors. To prevent water invasion to indoor side, all remaining gaps at the hole drill should be covered by putty or any other kind of suitable sealant. Alternatively, you may also use trunk to complete the outdoor pipe finishing.